Alright, it's my turn. So, looks like, look at this. The dough's been sitting for like an hour and a half, I think.
Yep.
It's been about an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Right. I have to wash my hands and everything. I'm just puffing out the air out the dough. You're gonna have to hold it.
The camera?
Yeah, so they can see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna take it out. And then first, what I should have done, I got flour right here. And I'm gonna get the flour. And I'm gonna get my plate. Get some of this flour. Put it right here.
That's a lot of flour.
No, watch.
I was doing it. I wouldn't use no flour.
Trust me, you gotta use the flour. And I also did mess up a little. Not even mess up. I just forgot a little something. Look, you gotta get the cornmeal, fam. Open this up. Your pizza is gotta be able to slide. Your pizza's gotta be able to slide. So look, you get some of this cornmeal, and you just dash it on the pizza slider. That's what it's called.
If I was making it, I would just make it straight in the pizza pan.
But now you can't
But
do that.
because he's using the stone,
You gotta use the pizza stone, bake the bottom of the pizza and everything. So I'm gonna get this flour. I'm gonna just try to coat it up because this dough is really oily. And that oil gets stuck up on the pizza slide when you're trying to slide in your pizza. So that's why you get enough flour to make sure your pizza will be able to slide. We got pepperoni over here. This is gonna do some basic pizza. We'll do 1 cheese, 1 pepperoni.
yeah.
Yeah. So look at this. It's a real soft dough. Your dough should be about this soft. Now I'm gonna just do this. Just get my fingers and basically just make the crust. Just press on the insides. Don't press on the outsides, on the edges. Press on the insides and just stretch it. Then you can just pick up the pizza, start stretching it. See, this actually is a lot of flour. So if you notice you do got a lot of flour, you can knock a lot of it off. It ain't nothing, it ain't a big deal. And look, just take your knuckles and just stretch it. You see how thin it's getting? Look at that. If you want a bigger pizza, just keep stretching it. Just hope you don't get a hole. See, a hole's about to appear right there. You can probably see it. Here's what I'm gonna do. Take the plate, move it. Don't need it no more. Drop this right onto the pizza slide. This time, you should start moving quick. Get your pizza sauce. This easy. Get your pizza sauce. Maybe I should have started from the middle, but it's okay. So I'm gonna put on the edges first. See, I got some on my slide, and I don't like that. I'm making a lot of mess. Got some on the counter too. Then look at that. Me personally, I don't like too much pizza sauce. This should be enough pizza sauce. Since I got some sauce in my hand, bop, bop, you know what I'm saying? Can't put everything to waste. Gotta use a little bit. Get this again. Wipe my hand off because it's kind of gross. Then you want to grab your cheese. Make sure your cheese is pretty cold. You don't want warm cheese, or else the fat from the cheese will separate too easily. And
that's cheddar and mozzarella.
this is cheddar, mozzarella, and some marble cheese, I think. It's just 2 or 3 cheeses. I can't even remember.
About 3 to 4 mixed cheese.
Look, some Scadia cheese.
Not too much cheese
on your
on mine.
pizza. I don't even know which one. I guess this can be the cheese if you want. Look at it. Oh, you know what? I forgot one thing. You know what I forgot?
The Parmesan.
A nice Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan. Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan. You just want to sprinkle enough. Hopefully that's not too much. And look, I'm gonna check if I can.
Wait.
Wait. Look at that. Hurry, come on this side. Come on. You can slide. That's what you want. And now the pizza stone's been in there for about an hour. And look, it's that easy. It's that easy.
And how long do you bake it for?
I bake for like 20 minutes. 25 minutes.
Okay.
And I keep my eye on it. And I rotate it a little bit so like one side doesn't get too burnt, then the other side. And it will look nice. Oh. So it's looking like, I said it's overdone too much. Look at that oil, that orangeness. That's too much cheesy oil. That's the fat separating from the cheese. It should be more white like that one right there, like that little tiny piece. But the dough is good. The dough baked good. But the cheese, too overdone. We'll start at number 2. I don't know why this part's not moving. So here's what I'm gonna have to do. I haven't done it in a minute. Kind of annoying. But look, here's what I'm gonna do. Open the oven. Get this. Grab this. Try to slide as much as I can off. And then boom, it wasn't even that big of a deal. It was a lighter issue.
It's probably the cheese. Silver.
I told you.
It's the marble cheese, the cheddar cheese. But it is still delicious. From my amazing house to yours. One love.